Hey y'all, welcome to my channel and welcome to my very first video. So I wanted to have my first video showcase kind of what my channel is about. So, like cooking, cleaning, obviously, and it will also be about homeschooling. And I just kind of wanted to get on here and like do a voiceover and kind of talk about who I am for just a little bit while you guys enjoy some cleaning inspiration. So my name is Darian, but I go by D, and I am 29 years old. I have 2.5 kids. I say half because I have a baby boy on the way. My two oldest are both girls. One is 9 and one is 5. And we are currently living in Washington State, and we've been here for about close to 4 years. And no, we are not military. We did not move up here for any particular reason. My husband and I, we visited for like 2 weeks because my mother-in-law lives up here and we loved it. So we decided to take the plunge and have a change of scenery. So we have done lots of moving around to different states, but we are originally from Florida. So, I feel like being up here in the Pacific Northwest is definitely a big change from being, down south. So I do miss the South though, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, so my channel is going to be really focusing on homemaking, things like cooking, cleaning, just like what I do in a day. I like the vlog style, so I definitely plan to do a lot of vlogging, and I definitely plan on like really going into detail about like how I homeschool and just be real about it and show you guys what, my life is like. I'm not going to pretend like everything's perfect or that like I have all this homeschool and homemaking figured out, because I do not. And I just want to be like upfront honest, and I just kind of want to share my life with you guys. Well, most of it. Obviously, I have some things that I will keep private, but I am on Instagram. I have a TikTok. I don't know how I want to use it yet, but I do plan on getting on there, and I will eventually share the handle for my TikTok as well, so you guys can kind of follow me on there. But I'm super excited to start this journey. This is definitely a big step for me because I actually used to have a YouTube channel like 5 years ago, and I was doing something completely different involving makeup, and I just kind of like fell out of love with the idea of makeup, and my skin was suffering terribly, so I had to just be done. And it took me a really long time to like decide what I wanted to do, and really talk myself into getting back onto YouTube, because I am putting myself out there for everybody to see. So that was a little difficult, but I'm really excited for like what's to come. And I don't know, it's just fun. I just kind of want to make this more of a fun thing than getting stressed out about it, because I would do that a lot when I was filming before. But I always want to be open and honest on my channel, bottom line. And I am always open for like suggestions. Like if you guys have, I don't know, just anything really, like anything that pertains to the content of my channel, I'm always open for suggestions. I like stuff, and I'll also share like my ideas with you guys, and anything that I use. Like I use, 2 of the cleaning products in my video. I will post all that information in the description box. Really just anything that I can think of. One thing I don't do though is like criticism. There's a difference between I can't even say it, constructive criticism and just being rude. I just don't deal with like the negativity. And so if you're going to be negative and rude for no reason, then you can just move on to the next channel. I don't need you that bad. Thank you very much. Anyways, I hope I haven't ranted and raved too much, and I plan on doing more like up close and personal videos of me talking, and just like, again, like I said, vlog style. And I hope you guys decide to tune in and you like my content. So just sit back, relax, and watch the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See y'all soon.